Hello, back with another tutorial. So this is on text animation again with Kinemaster. Alright, so if you haven't watched the previous video on text animation, the link is going to be in the description. Alright, so click on the link in the description. So to get started with this particular video, we're going to be using Pixel App as usual. Alright, with Kinemaster. So we are currently on the Pixel App application right now. So I just want to change the background to blue, alright, or green. Right, so it just depends on which one you want to use, and place a rectangle on it, right? So of course the rectangle should be white. All right, so make it white, and we need to stretch that a bit, but we also need to turn on the grid line. All right, so turn on the grid line and click on this, change it to 13 by 13. All right, so you have horizontal 13 lines and 13 vertical lines. All right, so position that, stretch it out a bit, you know. So we have this nice looking rectangle. And once you're done, bring out the text. Alright, so I'll write whatever you want to write. So for this, I'm just going to write minima, right? I'm going to write minima because, you know, it's very minimal, very simple. It's not complicated. Now the goal now is to make this text the same color as the background, right? Make the text the same blue color, right? If you choose blue background initially, make sure you choose blue background or blue text, or make sure you make the text blue. And if you choose green background initially, then of course you should make the text green. So the color of the text should be the same as the background color, right? So just, you know, scale and position at the middle. Right, just positioning. Right, so it's now time to save this individually. So it's time to save the background, the blue background. Ultra, save as PNG, just to increase the quality. That's just, you know, that's why we're doing that. So let's save just the white background and make the background transparent. The white rectangle, ultra, save. And then the minimal text, alright, ultra, save. Time to go to Kinemaster, right? Now once you are on Kinemaster, click on create new project and choose the same aspect ratio, okay, which is 16:9, which is that of YouTube. Now go and select the blue background, right? So let's choose the blue background as the main dominant layer, right? It's not actually a layer but the main media, right? So choose it as the main media. So add the blue background first and then the white triangle followed by the text. So I've added the blue background. The next thing is to layer the white rectangle on this blue background, right? So let's go search for that. Still loading. Right, so click on the white rectangle. Right, so we have it right here. Scale up. I think there's need to crop this, so let's crop it so it allows us to do our animation properly. So let's crop this so it fits the rectangle exactly. Alright, do the same to that edge there. Right, perfect. I think this is okay. Then, yeah, this is nice. So time to bring in the text. So click on the text, and once you have it, here we have it. So time to crop also. So let's crop this. Make sure it fits, right? Crop to fit. Crop to fit. Make sure it is at the edges, okay? Alright. Then do the same to this edge. And also the same to this edge. Just make it fit. Alright, so this is nice. Perfect. Scale up a bit. Scale up. Alright, so it's now time to add some animation, right? So let's go to add some animation to it. Right, so this is the okay, so make sure you actually do the same to the text. Okay, I think enter slide. Yeah, from the left will be okay. Alright, so let's go to let's see, scale this up a bit. I think this is okay. This is nice. Just trying to see if it's just perfect. Alright, so let's I think we should go over to the other edge and see. Okay, let's go to this other edge and do the out animation. Let's zoom this in. Let's still work on that other edge. Alright, so you can see I actually reduced the timeline for the white rectangle, so it's coming later, right? Okay, I think this is nice. Oh, I love this. Yeah, awesome. So let's work on this end right now. So and add some out animation. I think slide right should be okay. I don't know, slide right should be okay for this. Slide right. Yeah, slide right. Slide left in this case. We still need to adjust that end. Let's take that over there and also bring this, and let's take the white. Okay, wait, let's take the white, take it down a bit. Okay, I think it's getting nicer. Perfect. Alright, so this is nice. So we are done already. Right, so this is the final result of what we just created. So to see the video where I actually applied this, right, so how I actually apply green screen animations to normal videos, just click the link in the description. And if you want to sign up for my full motion graphic design course, right, the link is in the description. It has over 50 video tutorials, so click on it and I'll see you in the next video.